Hey, Boo Bear. You wearing your overalls? Boo, 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 boo. Why are you staring at me like that? Are you confused? What are you doing? You want to try something new? No. Look here. Look here. Look here. Look. What is that? Huh? Look. Look, Andrew. Bless you. What is that? He's very interested in everything else. Look here. You want to try that? What is that face? He can't choke on that? Oh, it came out.
It's just cereal. I mean, whole grain.
But he doesn't. Only has 2 teeth. See, I have